Hey Bath Time Adventures, I'm Rania and welcome to a new episode of DIY Maker Club powered by Arm & Hammer Baking Soda. Today we're making something fizzy, colorful and totally relaxing. Homemade bath bombs!
Relaxing! You can rest and rejuvenate. All your worries can wash down the drain.
Perfect for gifting, relaxing or just watching them bubble away. Let's get started! Start with a big bowl and add half a cup of Arm & Hammer baking soda. This is what gives it that awesome fizz. Then add a quarter cup of citric acid. Don't worry, it's totally safe and you can find it in most stores. Now it's time to make it smell amazing. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or lemon. Then a few drops of your favorite color to brighten things up. Here's where the science comes in. Slowly drip in some water and coconut oil while you're mixing. You want it to feel like wet sand. Not too soggy, not too dry. Scoop it into any mold you want. Press it down tightly. And then let it dry. Ta-da! Your own fizzy scented bath bomb. Science that smells good. Yes, please. Drop it in the bathtub and let it swirl and spin. Oh, smells amazing! So why did it fizz? Because when baking soda reacts with citric acid and water, it creates carbon dioxide gas. And that's all the fizzing and bubbling you see. So really, bath bombs are just tiny science experiments that smells amazing. Science! That's it. See you in the next episode of DIY Makers Club powered by Arm & Hammer Baking Soda. Bye!